To make this project you will need Arduino. I am using Arduino Uno, this chassis, L29 3D motor driver shield, HC05 Bluetooth module, 2 lithium-ion batteries, 4 gear motors. We need some wheels. This is the battery holder and few jumper wires. So now let's start making this project. Now we will take this gear motor and we will need 2 of the wires to solder it to the motor's terminal. Now let's solder 2 wires in the motor's terminal. Now I have soldered all the motors like this. Now we will take the chassis and motor and stick it using the hot glue. Now we will take the another motor and also stick it using the hot glue gun. Now similarly we will do for the other 2 sides. And now last motor also. Now after attaching all the motors using the hot glue, now the chassis will look like this. Now we will take the Arduino Uno and place it over here, and I have made some holes to place these screws on the Arduino Uno. Now I have fixed the Arduino Uno. You can see it's tightened up nicely by the screws. So now we will need this L29 3D motor driver shield, and now I will attach it to Arduino Uno board like this. Now it's attached properly. So now let's attach the wheels also. Now we will fix all the wires over here in the motor driver of the motors. Now we will flip the car, and now we will pass all the wires through these holes made on the sides. Now we will place these wires in the motor terminal also. You will get the circuit diagram link in the description box. Now we will do it in the other side also. Now I will take these 2 wires and place them in this terminal, positive and negative, both the jumper wires. Now I will take these 2 wires and I will cut them. I have soldered both the wires. Now let's go to the coding section. Now this is the code for the project. Click on sketch now and click on include library and then click manage libraries. Now here search for Adafruit motor library. Now install this library version 2 as well as the version 1, which is the above one. Now close this and now click on tools and check your port. My is COM port 4. Now again click on tools and select your board. I am using Arduino Uno. Now just hit the upload button. Now my code has been uploaded successfully. Now it's the time to test the car. Now I am turning on the car and this is the app through which we will control our car. Now connect to car and get the HC05 Bluetooth module. Now that's it for the today's video. Now if you like the video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing contents.